continue.
Hey, this is Reggie.
And hey, this is Cheryl with the Johnny Awaits.
Alright, everyone. Welcome back. Well, I'm Corey, and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures! Yay! But anyway, I also have my buddy Chad, as I always do, for our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Also, I'd like to ask you, for those of you that are new, to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of my Wednesday Hump Day Food Day videos. Right, Chad? You don't want to miss any of them. So anyway, we're going to show you today what our Wednesday Hump Day food is today. Yay! Yay! Okay, well, do you guys remember when we did the Dorian
Cherokee Farmstead
pancake?
Which this would have actually
Yes, they were very yummy. Anyway, you guys can check out that video. And after you watch this one, I'll put the link in the description below to that video. We are trying these ones. Chad really wanted to try these ones today. How do you say it?
Matcha.
Matcha. Okay, just exactly how it's spelled. Well, we took off the outside wrapping because it's green. So it should be posted back here what it looks like, what everything looks like.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, very good. Back here on the green screen, you guys. So we're going to try these today. Kind of excited. I think we've been waiting for them for a couple of days now, huh?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Let's get with it. Let's try. Oh, we're going to compare them. Let me go get the other one, because we have the other one too. This is the other video from the other video that we have. We're going to split one and try and compare the difference. So we got this one. And then I'm thinking we'll just split this one. Stare at those. Drool over that yumminess. Alright, so let's try this one first and rate it. This one. This one.
What?
This one.
Okay.
This one.
That one?
Matcha. Matcha. Matcha, you guys. Anyway, hold on. Let's see. Take it out here. Don't touch that. Just kidding. But anyway, see? Looks like a pancake. 2 pancakes put together in the middle with like a durian red bean paste. Matcha. What is matcha, Chad?
It is finely ground green tea leaves.
Amazing, huh? Green tea leaves. Just finely ground up. And that's what they call matcha. Very, very, very interesting. And as you guys know, green tea is really healthy for you. So it could be, you can have the bigger side. Because I love you. Don't eat it yet. Oh, yeah. Smell it. Smells pretty good. Yeah.
Looks good, too.
Yeah. I know. I like how they make it like a pancake style. It's like, looks like a pancake. But anyway, as I was saying and got distracted, green tea is really good for you. So if you guys drink green tea, it's really healthy. It has very good health benefits. Good flush out your inside.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna taste this one, and then we're gonna compare it to this. So don't eat the whole thing. Okay. Cheers. Cheers to you guys. Thanks for watching this far. I like it. It's really good. I'm glad I decided that we were gonna compare it to between the two, because I really don't taste too much of like a green tea flavor.
Right.
A little
bit.
A little hint. It's very light. I would like to have had a little bit more. That's just my personal opinion. It is sweet. like the durian, I think it is, and red bean. I think it's, you know what? It could just be a red bean, but it says durian on there on the package.
Interesting.
Interesting. But it's sweet. And then you have like a nice fluffy pancake texture kind of feel. It's good. Don't get me wrong. I do like it. For just the matcha only, my star rating, I'm gonna give it like a 4. And the reason why I'm doing a 4 is because I personally would like a little bit more of the matcha flavor. It's very, very, very light. So I kind of almost can't taste it. You have to know that it's there. Other than that, it is pretty good. It's not overpoweringly sweet, and I like the pancake texture. So my star rating, once again, is a 4 star.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to say the same.
The same? Why?
Again, because the matcha isn't really that much there.
Yeah.
It's just there.
Okay, so anyway, we just had that,
Nice.
and then now we'll try the other video that you saw. It's link in the description below. We already tried this kind. We're going to try this one now. It's the same thing. Once again, you guys can go back and watch it and see more information on that. But let's try this one, and then we're going to take a bite again and try it. Compare, see if it is. Cheers. So that one was yours, so. Okay. Okay. So.
Yeah, just about the same, but actually, I like this one more. It's just less flavor on the pancake part.
I'm gonna be honest. My personal opinion, I really can't tell the difference. I wouldn't have known. Other than I do still. I really can't tell the difference too much.
I mean,
other than just the slight hint of the green tea flavor, the matcha flavor, I mean.
yeah.
Which is green tea leaves grounded up. Anyway, that's why I keep saying that. But
I mean,
I honestly can't taste the difference too much.
I can taste a little bit of difference, like with the pancake part.
Well, it goes to show you,
I honestly like this one better.
everybody's going to be a little different. I would get either one of them. We recommend either one of them. They're both really good. Not overpowering sweet or anything like that. Well, you guys, come back for our
Wednesday Hump Day Food Day.
Woo! Come back for some more. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.
Yay! I honestly was slightly disappointed. That's okay.